Chapter 2, Lesson 4 is Mental Addition. So here, we will be doing single place value addition, supposedly. But since there's regrouping, it's a little bit harder than it was in grade 2. So the strategy of the book is a bit more complicated than what I'd like to teach you. So I will show you my approach, and I'm hoping that it will make more sense. So the problems that I've selected are from page 44. Since this is mental math, our approach will be slightly different from computational math and slightly different from the way the book will teach the kids. So our approach will be, we look at the ones place, and clearly this does not need regrouping because it does not go beyond the 10. So we'll start by adding the tens. So that's a 30 plus a 40, that's 70. And then we add the ones, which means that's a 9, which means the total will be 79. So we do the same for the next one. So I look at the ones, the 2 and the 1 added together does not need regrouping. So we start with a 40 plus the 50, that is 90. Then we add the 3, making it 93. And in the next one, if we look at 8 only needs a 2. This is a 3, which means this is regrouping. So when it's a regroup problem, it's the same scenario as well. So we start by adding the tens. So 70 plus 20 is 90. But when we add the ones, this now becomes 11. So if we add those together at 90 and 11 gives you 101. So repeating the process, if I look at the ones, 5 and 12, that goes beyond 10. This needs regrouping. But if we start with the 60 plus the 80, that will be 140. Adding the 2, so 5 plus 7, we need 3 to make it to 10. We have an extra 2, which means this is 12. Together, this is 152. The last one, I will use the same strategy as the book. So here, since 99 just needs a 1, we will break the 99 as 1 plus 98. So when we add the 99 and the 1, that's 100 plus 98 gives us 198. So there are different ways of teaching the kids. But what we want to do is make it so that it's the least stressful for them. The way the book does it, it's a little bit of a stressful approach. So I hope that you can practice with what I have. Before you teach it to your kids, make sure that you understand it well so that you don't mess up when teaching your kids. That concludes Lesson 4 of Chapter 2. See you in the next chapter.